Healthy diet. 5 healthy whole wheat recipes to help you ditch refined flour. Entire wheat, very much like other entire grains, is a rich wellspring of dietary fiber and protein, which are 2 of 3 fundamental large-scale supplements needed for a solid body. Wheat is a food grain, which is one of the most famous ones all over the planet. Wheat is actually a grass and its seeds are collected for utilization as food cereals. In India particularly, wheat, or gehun, is the most well-known food grain that is utilized each day for making chapathis and different flatbreads. Wheat flour is accessible in different structures, with its exceptionally handled structure called maida being utilized in setting up an assortment of heated products like breads, cakes, baked goods and so forth. Maida is finely processed and blanched till it looks like cake flour and is generally viewed as undesirable when burned through in abundance, basically on the grounds that every one of the nutritious components of wheat have been eliminated in the eventual outcome. Entire wheat, then again, is viewed as very nutritious. Entire wheat nutrition and facts. There are various types of wheat that are developed all over the planet. The one thing that may remain constant for every one of them is that the less handling they have been made to go through, the better their wholesome profile. Entire wheat, actually like other entire grains, is a rich wellspring of dietary fiber and protein, which are 2 of 3 fundamental full-scale supplements needed for a sound body. It is a wellspring of energy and it advances satiety, when devoured in its most natural structure. Food varieties wealthy in dietary fiber are useful for the stomach and they may likewise assist with lessening the danger of various illnesses, including heart sicknesses, diabetes, hypertensive problem, and so on. The following are 5 healthy whole wheat recipes you may try. 1 Gehun ki kheer recipe. We customarily make kheer from rice, yet this entire wheat kheer is more grounded than the famous variant. It doesn't contain refined sugar and, on second thought, utilizes jaggery as a sugar. 2 Japanese soba noodles recipe. Soba noodles are level noodles produced using entire wheat and this formula additionally includes the protein and fiber-rich buckwheat. Noodle production may appear to be an overwhelming assignment, yet the outcome may merit the difficulty. 3 Entire wheat pasta in mushroom sauce recipe. A smooth pasta formula without the undesirable calories of cream and refined flour is exactly what was needed. This entire wheat penne pasta formula utilizes the regular richness of mushrooms to give you a dish that is both fulfilling and scrumptious. 4 Entire wheat cake recipe. This cake formula will make you ditch refined flour cakes for eternity. Arranged utilizing entire wheat flour and jaggery, this cake is stacked with the decency of pecans and the formula is simply unimaginably simple to follow. 5 Entire wheat cookies recipe. Evening tidbits can overload you when you're attempting to tidy up your eating regimen. These wheat treats will safeguard your eating regimen plans from the surge of those undesirable chips and crisps. Entire wheat can supplant refined flour is a large portion of your beloved dishes and sweets. You should simply to explore different avenues regarding the fixing and play around with the flavors and surfaces. Hello everyone. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and press the bell button so you can get the latest information from my video. Thank you and happy watching.